morning, friends. It's the Lug Nut Guru. Happy Monday to you. Hey, today we wanted to feature a new product we brought in that will bring a lot of value to your customers, your techs, and ultimately your business. That's our eraser tool or eraser cone tool. It's a heavy rubber. It attaches to the end of a cordless drill. It's good up to 4,000 RPMs. You don't want to use it past 4,000 RPMs. But what it's used for is to remove the adhesives and the residue left on the inside of the wheelbarrow from old tape weights or old sticky weights. You know, traditionally, we would use the old wheel weight scraper. It's manual, takes some effort, and it really never got all of the adhesive off without the use of a harsh or an abrasive chemical. That's why we brought in the wheel eraser cone. Again, it's good for up to 250 wheels. It leaves a nice, clean, smooth surface, and it has other applications within your shop. It's also made to remove pinstriping, decals, without, once again, using a harsh or abrasive chemical that could scratch the surfaces. If you'll stay tuned after this, we'll show you a quick demonstration video of it. If you're looking for one of these, if you want to get this in your shop to get a nice clean removal, you can DM us or you can reach out to us via social media here. We'd be happy to get you taken care of. Thanks, friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you find value in this or you know somebody that may, please give it a share, a like, and make sure and follow us on our social media channels. Have a great Monday, and we'll see you at the top.